Now we've already seen the leaked renders of the back of the OnePlus 10 Pro, also the charging speed. Now we have the release date and the full and likely final looking renders of the whole device thanks to OnLeaks. Now, when is the release date? Well, for instance, the OnePlus 9 range was released in late March of this year, and OnePlus clearly stated that there is nothing coming as OnePlus 9T. And this is probably a big reason why OnePlus is considering an early 2022 launch for the OnePlus 10 range. Now, according to a report, the OnePlus 10 range is in a private testing phase in Europe and China for now. Now, according to the report, the company is choosing late January or early February as the time frame. Now, that means the OnePlus 10 range is coming right after the launch of the S21 FE, which will also have a very awkward launch, and before the launch of the most anticipated phone of this year, the Galaxy S22 series. And this is either way will make the competition go on fire. I literally love it. Now, as for the looks, although this design might still be just one of the several possible designs for the OnePlus 10 Pro, now after looking at all these renders and these leaked timeframes, the chances of a different design going into production seems like not happening. And even if there are going to be certain changes, then it's going to be very minor or very subtle. Now, naturally, the OnePlus 10 Pro isn't too different from the predecessor or any high-end Android handsets in terms of front design, but that's not a bad thing at all. With the razor-thin screen bezels, a top-left punch hole, curvy display, it does look really beautiful. The camera bump is ugly or beautiful, whichever way you look at. It does make the OnePlus way too different looking than the upcoming competition. I'm talking about the S22 Ultra. Now, it also houses 3 camera sensors. I don't know what happened to the industry, like certainly 5-6 cameras to again 3 cameras. I don't know. Anyway, as for the display, it will reportedly feature a 6.7-inch OLED panel with support up to 120Hz refresh rates. The OnePlus 10 series will likely be powered by the Qualcomm's upcoming Snapdragon 898/Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. You need to watch my latest video for that. And the Pro model will come in 128GB base storage option. And according to recently, the OnePlus 10 Pro may offer 125-watt fast charging. That will be crazy insane for OnePlus fans. And yeah, check out my website on your computer, tablet or your phone. joindavid.com, link down below. It's for everything tech. You're gonna get all these and more tech news way faster than these videos. These videos take a lot more time and effort to create. So subscribe this channel and like this video. I appreciate that, and definitely visit my website.